As you know what happened in Garo Hills District Council now,
Nasimang councilo tao mayong yachum via
employees are not getting their salary for 3 years.
uno kam kakaparang bersih tamna baten don maharang ko mandenga
MDC are not getting their salary.
MDC lang pa mandenga
No development work.
mamang soibo kam lang ko kadenga
And there's nothing which have any development in Garo Hills District Council for the last 2-3 years.
patang ba bersih tamna garugels to mamang silat dalat na kam kanirang tongsang jok
I fail to understand
anga wina manjek jok
how these two parties,
ya party gigini
when they contest the election this time,
tao gomang election ko kan chakatingon
what promise they were giving to the people of Garo Hills.
maya dakupa katarang chin gomang akan kugen
When the people of Garo Hills already elect them,
jen salo garuhils to tongkapa mandirang gomang ko bel sasun kana kata gomang ko donat manaha elek manaha siok manaha
to run the executive committee in Garo Hills District Council,
garuhils district council government ko
but they
chakay na
have
kata
totally failed.
gomang ara tongsang jok salainan mat sang jok
Do you think that if you vote for Congress or NPP,
na asimang chansiama congress na npp na vote kai
they will be able to run the EC in the District Council?
gomang council government ko ec ko salainan man genma
When we have given them a chance,
jen salo ansing gomang na chol ko na ha
they have failed even to give salary to their employees.
uno kam kakaparang na mangbator makun ona man pilgije gomang de kam kon kana man ja changja jok
So now how you think that they will run the executive committee?
ndi de yeno thomba rang yamangara mai dakki
I am proud to announce you
angan asimang na agana skinga
that the executive committee led by the UDP
executive committee jekon udp dalgenchum
in the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council
Khasi Hills District Autonomous Council
has run now the district council smoothly.
tao chunga UDP takdele nampe tange mamung gondo gordong kita sason kainga
Under my leadership,
angni dilaniyo
for 1 year now,
bersisong jo
we has run it smoothly.
nampe tange chunga council ko chalaya ha
Why I am coming to this election campaign?
angan mainnya ya election campaign na akan panai bacam
I want to tell you,
angan asimuna kana ska
this is the time
yan sumay
that you should give chance to the UDP.
ya sumayon na simang UDP na ba chanson habo
Garo Hills Autonomous District Council also is to protect the Garo community.
apsan dake Garo Hills District Council ba Garo Hills to tunggopa Garo lang ko najuke rakina gomang na namgani ko rabana sa ma
That's why in Khasi Hills District Council election, we never have other tribes, other non-tribal to contest the election.
unigimensa singa Khasi Hills to de nan saiba saksaba dungja bot khana ba manda
That's why I want to urge you
nigme ngana asim ko didi panas kinga
that this time
iya chango
you shouldn't make any mistake.
na simang dual panabe
Once again, by electing the candidate of the National Party to run the District Council,
장사타이 내셔널 파티니 칸디데트 랑코 엘레카이 구얼라 니고 딱타이 파나베네 그르팽이랑
but I hope this time,
앙아천치 앙아카동아
I want to see
앙아늑나 스킹아
that Garo Hills Autonomous District Council
가루힐스 오토노머스 디스트릭트 카운슬
Executive Committee
executive committee
should lead by the UDP.
UDP치 들나는겐 government 거르나는겐
All of you will be going to the polling booth on the 12th of this month.
라카나 증 지근이 에프릴로 폴링 부치 Again,
For what are you going to the polling stations?
mainan na si maro polling station si inga.
Is it a fun?
Yara kadengirwa ni ma?
Is it a maja or a typical of what celebration or picnic or a drama or something like that?
Tamasa, ba may ba chayir ngirwa ni inga ma yenora?
This is for the life of the Garo Hills,
Ya,
the people of Garo Hills,
ya ko masinanangan Garo Hills to tunggu pa mandirang ni.
particularly the Garos.
Mungsung ba de Garo rang na?
That is why I want to tell you,
Uniga man sa nga na si manakanas ka?
don't blame anyone else now.
Tarang ko ba? Tarang ni kusa ko ba agan na be?
I want to tell you today,
Angan na si manakana talos kinga?
make no mistakes in this election
Mamung saloba ya election no gola ni kotak na be.
and vote for Albert, a UDP candidate.
Albert Marak na UDP candidate na vote kabo.
I have a reasons today why I'm asking you to vote for Albert Marak.
Anga may na Albert Marak na vote ka chinakan at asel do nga.
We have had a lot of things what is happening in Garo Hills District Council.
Singa ba nga kon kinaing ha Garo Hills District Council mayong yatsum.
It pains me though I'm not a Garo. It pains me though I'm not a Garo.
Yan ang ni katong ko namen sakta anga garong pajagin sumumong ba.
But Garos are the people and the citizen of the state of Meghalaya.
Andi ba giskita na garo rang ba state Meghalaya state to apsan dungo barang ano nga.
We are brothers and sisters.
Ansung adasa abisa kita unga.
Do you expect a party from outside Meghalaya to come and take care about the interests of the people of Garo Hills and the people of Meghalaya?
Na simang sansiyama wa chelgo ba biya po di state niya palo di ribay mong garus tu na ribay mong ansung atsiklang ni na simang atsiklang ni namgini na wa mang kamkagin na simang sansiyama.
As well as mentioned by Batitos Khan. National parties will see the national interest first.
National Party nga barang de. India ut songdong saka ba kamuknigi man sa sansiya ya.
But we as the indigenous people,
Hindi ba ansung ara yano atsikam ka ba mandirang?
we as the Khasi, the Jantia and the Garo tribes
Karo, Jansiya, Kasirang.
who are one in the state of Meghalaya
We ansung de saksagat ako ya ya Meghalaya.
have to see the interests of these three communities.
Ansung ya sat gigatam ni nang nukani ko ansung nina nang chumuta.
It is a time now before it's too late.
Unigaman ansung wina nanggen ya somayong inha zaman sakbinas kang.
That's why I said the people of Garo Hills still recognize, still protect and preserve the culture of their own
Community.
community.
Unigaman masina nanggen ansung ya district council sa MDC rang katatakapang sa ansung ni Karurang ni Kasirang ni Janjirang ni nang nukani ko de sakudi ani ko de yarang sa pung naman na.
Garo Hills District Council, as per the Constitution of India, has convinced that this should be the platform where the community will be protected through the District Council.
Ansung via Indian Constitution o Indian niyam kitapo 6th schedule on antang-tang ni jatang-tang o narjoki rakina kita sigaman lang niyam lang donga.
This time, make no mistakes.
Ya pako na simang
I'm very confident that in Damas,
anga namen kalong beinga Damas to.
I'm very confident that all of you have come today to attend this meeting because you have decided to support the UDP.
Nasimang dalu inunari bani ortode nasimang UDP candidate ko support kana kata antang-tang ni gisir katong gumukko sikai don mana.
You might be looking for another party other than UDP, other than NPP or Congress party. Maybe some people are looking for BJP, but they are all national parties.
dengtang mandirang dengtang parti Kongres NPP NCP atau BJP take dakabarang na nasimang chancina ba dungan di ba warang kemakan National Party sa nerpengrang.
We are as a regional party.
Chingade regional party.
We are there for our own people.
Chinga nasimang maksa dunga.
We have to see the interest of our own people.
Chinga skang ba darang marang na skang antang ni mandirang ni.
This time in Garo Hills District Council.
Yan pako District Council Garo Hills to.
As I have said, this election that you're going to vote on the 12th of this month.
Ang agan man na ha chigini Aprilo nasimang vote ka yan.
12th will be the day which is going to decide.
Chigini Aprilo mandirang mayong genuko tika na singa.
Who will take care of our land?
Ya anjing ni asungin ka ba ya kapan jat ni jan di ba anjing ni jat ni ma.
We pray that God will not give others a chance to take away our land.
Ya anjing ni asungin ka pa jadingi ka pa ako kapan jat lang rai khatna ka dan sing chol ko mamusalo bo nanang.
Come what may, UDP as a regional party, we will fight together with you.
Chinga agane nga nasimang baksa chinga UDP Ndak ba agaman na siya ni ko narjogat na gata takilken nasimang baksa.
안성리 디스트릭트 카운슬 동자호대 안성리 동자화 내가나 엄청 못다 안성리 준사바 가나 안성리 레머캉아 자트니 아솜리 ताकारकानी को रपंग लगता डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल को जोकातना बा डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल रखिए ना ने बांसनी भागबारने आना या सोमाइनी बाको आगा सकान जो के मोलमुला जे आगान के पा खतरां को अपसान देके राए सोमान ची नोकान ची ना रियांगे आगान प्रागानी को दखफासना नहीं सकान ची को मोलमुला यानी किसे पो अग्नि खोसा को जे खतरां को आगान आचम उन्हीं के मन बा लोकपानी मायरोंग प्ले पाचेनी उंगा अंजनी फागोपारंग रिबाई बिको हाबी जबी इनके पा खतानी के मन चिंगा नामनक श्रंगजा बिको निके दक्का को दके ना को नीचाए दोंगजो वहा नेबागाना या आगाना निको नम्मे मनसा खनाए अंचंदे रारिक पाचिना आने सकांटी को मोला मैना या आगाना नी कथा दे UDPO एक बार काम खागो परांग को UDP ने कैंडिडेट को जे बासी छोड़ने के जे बासी ओंगी जा खतरंग को आगान पाना बे ने मोले दुनाहा वनी मन खासारा आंगनी मागो भागो परांग आंगा या समय जे अंजनी भागो परांग आगाना हा उनागरी अपसन खता को आगान है नस्जा अंदीबा आगान दके आगान नस्के चे रियांगमन सोमायरांगो आसाम निसा ने आगान गबानी गमन तालो डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल ने कैंडिडेट होंगे छगत के परा प्राकन आहोनी थल बांगजा महीना आज जात नी नियम रीति को मासिए आगान हामा मासी जा आगान हामा आज जात तोरा मेयासा फंदे बिचारा छावारी रेबामा माथांनि songo songdongama anjengde ndakesa masia achek ja tonge tribal ja tonge baspishare achek ja tonge chmode ba khasil se khasi ja tonge chmode anjengde chawari sari e jekni songosa songdonga